Hey, you can't do one work properly. For one day you are not able to take care of my grandson. See what condition you have made. He must be feeling so pain. Mom, I just went bathroom for 2 minutes and you know na how much wind is blowing today. His hand came into gate. Shut up. Putting your mistake on the wind. You can't do anything. Taking care of home or taking care of kids. Mother-in-law, there is nothing like that. I just went for 2 minutes and suddenly...
What happened? Why are you fighting?
Ask her. She will tell what she had done with my grandson.
What happened to Pranav?
Speak. Tell now. Sanju, actually. What this that? Pranav's 2 fingers got cut in the gate. If his whole hand would have come then, for some time I left him with her. She did that. Hey.
Can't you take care of a child while living at home?
How dare you? You raised hand on my son? Your son is son. I'm not someone else's daughter. Huh? First your son raised hand on me. You didn't see that? Hey, so what happened? If you will do mistake, then he will raise hand on you. Mistake? Which mistake I did? He is a kid. He was playing. He got hurted. When you are taking care of him, he doesn't fall. He doesn't get hurt. Huh? Till now, you haven't raised hand on her. Forget about raising hand. You haven't even talked to her in high voice. What do you want? He will raise hand on his mother. If he can't raise hand on mother na, so he can't raise hand on wife as well. Why he can't? Hey, he's your husband. Husband can raise hand on his wife. But wife will raise hand on his husband? There is no more shameless thing than that. This is most shameless thing. Wow, mother-in-law, wow. You have very good thinking. If your son will raise hand on your daughter-in-law, it is the thing of respect. If daughter-in-law will raise hand on son, then it's very shameful. In anger, man raise hand sometimes. Only your son doesn't get angry. I also get angry and my hand also got raised in anger. Don't forget Riya, your daughter-in-law of this house. You are his wife. How can you raise hand on him? How can you forget that I am his wife? How can he raise hand on me? You live in our house. It's not your father's house. If you want to live here, na, you have to live according to us, understood? Oh, this is the thing. We women don't know till now which house we have. Our husband's home is ours or our parents' home is ours. We women have no home. Without my mistake, you raised hand on me. If I will do some mistake, so I don't know what you people will do with me. And Sanju, Pranav is my son as well. I gave him birth keeping him in my womb for 9 months. If something happens to him, na, I stop breathing. I know very well in which condition I have took him to doctor. How difficult it was for me. He did his dressing. I am fool. Threw my career on a side, did marriage and had kid. I would have focused on my career. I would have bought a house for me. Then would have thought of marriage. And not me. All the girls of this world. They should get settled. They should buy their own house. Then they should think about marriage. If they want to do or don't want to do. Otherwise, your in-laws can anytime push you out of the house. If they won't push you out of the house, na, then they will torture you. We will send you to your maternal house. I know no need to afraid of anyone. And you people, decide now. From tomorrow, who will do your household work? Because I am not going to do your household work. Now I will work for my home. Will earn for my home and will build my home. Then I will work in my home.